On today's adventure, we are checking out Neewer Basics Mini Magnetic RGB Fill Light for my action camera I'm using right now. Here's what it came in. Little bitty baby box. And open it if we can. Alright. See if we can get into it. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so tight. That's what she said. Alright, first off we have charging cable. Second off we have the magnite. Very, very tiny, but I've seen it. It should be very, very nice. Fortunately, I need to charge it, but this is what it looks like. Alright guys, I'll see you in a few minutes once I charge it. Cheers. Alrighty, well, I didn't need to charge it. I just had to hold down the button like this. And there's that. And change the lighting. Very cool. RGB. Amazing, huh? Very amazing. And I will show you how easy it is to put it on my camera case. Yeah, buddies. Alright, here's the case to my camera, and here is the light. And this may be a little difficult one-handed. Alright, flip you upside down. How about that? And then take you. I'm doing a bad job. Flip that around like so. And there's that. And that's what it looks like right here. You saw my mess. And yep, you turn it on. Maybe. Turn it on like so. And poof, look at that. It's magnetic. You can pop it right off. Heck to the yeah. Very, very, very cool. I like this. I'm going to like this a lot. It's going to allow me to do, night hikes and, dark hikes and maybe go into caves and stuff in the mountains. All right, let's go down to the office and do a light test. As you can see, very little light coming in, but let's turn it on. Oh, nice. And change the lighting. Oh, that's awesome. Very cool. Very, very cool. Let's get some spooky lighting. Someone order green, red, blue. Ooh, the blue is funky. Yeah, very short little video, very, very cool little light that I will definitely be utilizing. Man, that looks blue. Hold on. Oh, is that the wrong one? Nope. Okay, orange looking. That's very, very cool. Very enjoyable. Even Lucy's enjoying it. All right, guys. That being said, I want to thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.